Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mahalakshmi JK, and in today's video we are discussing some of the important diagrams and the questions related to the diagrams. So the first diagram we have is displacement reaction. This is the diagram from the class 10th textbook itself. So here you have to remember the general reaction, one example for it, and then the color change. Next one is reaction of acid with the metal. So the diagram will be given for the MCQ and various questions will be asked on it. For example, which gas is liberated in the reaction? And the answer is hydrogen gas. What does the pop sound mean? Pop sound means for the liberation of the hydrogen gas. Then give the general reaction, that is acid plus metal gives the salt and hydrogen gas. Next is chloralkali process. So chloralkali process is very important process. You have to remember the reaction for it, and the questions based on this are: what is the brine solution, which gas is liberated at anode and at the cathode, what are the products formed in the chloralkali process, why chloralkali process is very beneficial. So these are the few important questions in this. And the next comes is test for starch. So this question is asked many times in the prelims as well as in the final exams. So here the complete description about this experiment is given. First one is observation, then explanation and conclusion. Even the reaction is given. So the conclusion is that carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis. And the next comes is geotropism. So geotropism is growing of a plant towards the gravity or attraction towards the gravity. So first one is what is geotropism. Then the question will be asking which is negatively geotropic and positively geotropic. And the next comes is stomata and the guard cells. So the diagram will be given and the various questions will be asked. For example, what controls the opening and closing of stomata? And the answer is stomata, guard cells. Next one is choose the correct option from the alternatives given. Stomata are usually open during the day, closed at night, when all of the above, whenever there is excess water in the soil. So the answer is all of the above. Next is which surface of the leaf has more stomata? This is lower epidermis. Next comes is human male reproductive system. So just the diagram will be given for you and the questions will be asked like identify part 1, part 2 or A, B. Some labeling will be given for it like A, B. So you must remember this diagram along with some labelings. So there will be no question asked for you particularly for this concept to draw and label. They will be given you the diagram and you have to identify the parts. And the various parts will be mentioned and you are asked to write their functions. And the next comes is human female reproductive system. Here also same question will be asked. They will give you the diagram and you have to identify the part. If part is already mentioned, and they will ask you to write its function. Next comes is sperm. So sperm diagram will be asked directly. Draw neat and labeled sperm diagram. So you must remember one thing: whenever you are drawing any biology diagrams or any science diagrams, you must draw it with a pencil and try to label all the things only on one side. So thank you for watching my channel. Keep watching my channel for the next videos. And in the next video, I'll be uploading some of the general reactions. So keep watching my channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.